how to transfer money from USA to Pakistan. Now, first of all, we will use Wise. So if you use the link below, you will benefit from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. Now, open your Wise account, and now what you need to do is select your destination that you want to transfer from. In this case, it will be USA, and select your recipient currency. In this case, it will be the Pakistan currency, like that. So as you can see, so select it. And now what you need to do, tap on send. As you can see here, you can type how much to transfer, for example, $1,000. And as you can see, this is how much your recipient will receive. Now, after that, what you need to do, you can tap on pay with, and now you can select wire transfer, international wire, debit card, or credit card, or your balance, or you can select your bank transfer. As you can see, now click on add recipient. Now what you need to do, tap on bank details, and now tap on someone else. And now, you need their phone name, their IBAN, their country, their city, the recipient address, and postcode. And after that, clicking continue. And if you use the link below, you will benefit from from 0 fees for transfer up to £500. So this is how to transfer money from USA to Pakistan. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.